Friends, we all understand why maintaining a journal is such a crucial thing for our personal and professional success. A journal or a notebook or a diary where we can write down our thoughts, our emotions, our expressions, which we can use to write our learnings for the day, our experiences for the day. Something which we use for our better time management. Write a to-do list and schedule our day such that we can be more productive that day. We all understand the importance of maintaining a journal. But the crucial question is, how can I start this beautiful journey? Let me give you some easy, simple tips so that you can start this journey immediately. First one is choose a format. Now you can write down in a physical notebook or a journal, or there are youngsters today who also prefer to write on their mobile in some app. So choose the format. You can also choose to voice record so that your recordings will get translated and an app can maintain a journal for you. So first thing is define and choose a format. Second important aspect is set aside a timeline each day, a specific timeline. It could be just for 5 or 10 minutes. But when you have specific timeline, you are likely to remember to write in a journal. Now you can choose early morning, as soon as after you get up, or just before you go to the bed. I write my journal immediately once I enter my office, and I also write before I leave for the day. So these are the two timelines that I specifically remember that I need to write in a journal. So you also set aside a specific timeline that works for you. Then be honest and be sincere, because you are writing to your own self, not for any imaginary audience. This journal is not to impress anybody outside. This is only and only for you. So do write just for yourself and not for anybody else. Another thing is, don't judge and don't censor. See, during the day, you are bound to get some positive thoughts and also negative thoughts. Just write down whatever you feel like writing. You don't need to censor the negative thoughts. Journal is an outlet, especially for business owners, managers, and the leaders who can vent out, who can empty their mind so that they can think more clearly. This is your close friend. So there is no need to censor of what you are writing. You are writing for yourself, and be honest, be sincere, and don't censor. Just write down whatever you feel like writing in this journal. Now, if you are still stuck and if you are still looking out that how I can start this journey, then let me give you a couple of pointers where you can start. One thing is, you can write about what are you grateful for today. Now we are all grateful for a lot of things around us, a lot of people around us. It is just that we take them for granted. So maybe just look around for things you are grateful for, people you are grateful for your own ability, skills and talent that you must be grateful for. This could be as little as you can be grateful for your office boy who is giving you tea. You can be grateful for a security person or a liftman. Just write down whoever are you grateful for or whatever things you are grateful for. Another aspect you can write is your affirmation statements. Something that you feel positive about today. You can write that today I feel confident, I am positive, I feel energetic today. So whatever you feel like, write some positive affirmations today. Because once you write down positive, we say that you attract what you think. So when you write down positive, you are likely to attract positive things in your day. So friends, these are the ways in which you can start your beautiful journey of maintaining a journal. And finally, don't worry about writing perfectly or filling up pages, because there is no way to do it right. You can write a long detailed paragraph or just a few bullet points. Even just a few words or sentences can also be hugely beneficial. So why not give it a try? Your future self will thank you for these beautiful written memories and insights. Found this information useful? Then like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.